What if I told you that there is a way that you can turn your Figma designs into perfect code using a Figma plugin and Lovable.io? For those of you that have been following the channel, you already know that I'm a fan of these AI coding tools that make magic. Basically, they can turn prompts into websites, SaaS applications, mobile applications, and more. But now they have upped their game. More specifically, Lovable have upped their game with their integration with Builder.io. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to use this Figma plugin to turn your designs into code. Now, there is no difference between a designer and a developer because a designer can turn their designs into code using AI. We are living in a crazy world, and this is exciting news. But without further ado, let's jump in and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Well, the first thing that I would like to mention is the plugin that Lovable has partnered with, which is Builder.io. Basically, Builder.io is a Figma plugin that allows you to turn your designs into code using their interface. They also have a drag and drop interface that you can use, but today we're going to be focusing more on their Figma aspect because you can send that information to Lovable for you to make edits and to keep your design in sync and everything else. So we're going to be exploring that. We will start with the fact that Builder have a free plan that you can test. You can share this with up to 10 users and you can have up to 20 monthly code generations. Right now, I have a free trial for the pro plan, and that's what we will be using today. But it's really similar to the free plan. So that's if you decide to go for the pro plan, it's only $19 per month, which is not that bad. Now, jumping into Builder, the first thing that you will want to do is you will want to go to Figma. You will want to go to their menu, plugins, manage plugins, and you're going to type builder.io in the search bar. As you're seeing, you're going to click on top of the Builder plugin and you're going to make sure that you're installing it. Mine is already installed. But once you install it, you will have to log in. There's a button down here that you can log in, and you will log in with your builder.io account, and that will allow you to sync your files. Then after that, it goes downhill from here because it's relatively easy. So all you want to do is you want to highlight the screen that you want to turn into code. You're going to right click into it. You're going to hover over plugin, you're going to hit builder.io, you're going to export to code, you're going to let it work, and you're going to open in Lovable. So right now it's converting this into a Lovable project, and it take a little bit, but once it's ready, we will see that we will have Lovable ready to go. Taking some time, but we will let it work through it. And now, for those of you that are not familiar with Lovable, Lovable is an AI coding tool that allows you to build projects just by using prompts, similar to the prompts that you will use in ChatGPT. You will want to be descriptive and explain to the AI exactly what you want to be building. On a different note, as you can see, it opened on the Lovable project and is building now the UI clone. We're going to see the preview and compare them and see how well it did. All right, I think that's a decent. Let's open this big. There's no preview. So I think this is a fairly decent clone of this page. Of course, there are some things that needs to be fixed, like this is not lined up together, but relatively minor changes. I believe that these should have been on top, but nothing crazy. We're not talking about big changes. We're talking about minor changes. I think it did the job that it needed to do. With that being said, we made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I will leave the link down below for Lovable, the link for Builder, and the link for Figma. If you don't have an account with any of them, feel free to use those. The only affiliate link that will be down there will be the Lovable affiliate link. So if you want to support this channel, please consider using the link. Otherwise, you can go to Lovable.dev and sign up for their account. They give you 5 free daily messages. And in addition to that, from time to time, they send out free credits for different holidays. So they are really cool about it. But if you want their monthly plan, it only costs $20, the same that you will pay for ChatGPT, but you will have 10 times the fun than you do with ChatGPT. I promise you that. I do have a lot of fun with it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Please help me reach more people out there and teach them the best that AI has to offer. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.